Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan, and today, Thursday, 14 March 2024. My trade setup directions for today will be long on the Aussie, the Yen and the Euro, and short on the New Zealand, Swiss franc and the US dollar. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk, and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. Dollar index holding well, a little bit all over the place yesterday. Still overall bearish as in all the previous videos. Intraday dollar bearish. I will stay short dollar, but I would love to see on the larger time frames, on the dailies, that the dollar will come and test this two moving averages plus the structure there. Short-term indicator definitely bearish. Everything points to a weak dollar, but this little flag potential pattern, that could be the spanner in the works. But for now, I have to stay bearish on the dollar. S&P 500, we got the long here on Monday on the video I showed you, and looking good now. We have trailed the stop loss to entry yesterday with this little spike down. I think you can trail the stop loss there 5 or so points below that, so that should be a good place. Trail stop loss, we have set targets on yesterday's video, so please watch that video if you want to see how I did it. Nasdaq, same scenario, slightly different. We got the long there at the 61% FIB. It ran up nicely, retracing a little bit, but now starting to move up the page. I would love to see at this stage this market to make a new high through that level there. Once it breaks up there, I'll bring in the stop loss to these levels. So for now, I'm still waiting for that to happen. Still dollar bearish, still stock market bullish. I'm just holding on tight. Targets also set on the previous videos, yesterday's videos. Euro US, we got the long, the piercing line yesterday, or 2 days ago. I said it on yesterday's video, and now holding on tight. Trail the stop loss to this little spike down the page here. You see that little Bill Williams fractal there? Trail stop loss there. Let's hope for the best. Targets was also set on yesterday's video. Then the pound, also we got the long there on a piercing line, looking good. Trail the stop loss to these two candles low here, and that'll give us much less risk. Also target set on yesterday's video. Please watch that video if you want to see where I put the targets. So all of them look good. That's the 4 open trades we've got there. Then we move on to the Aussie New Zealand. Aussie New Zealand, Aussie green zone, New Zealand red zone. So I'm still waiting for this last directional swing there. Retracement, market structure here right at 61%, so I'm keen on taking some longs at this level. And then the Aussie Swiss, Aussie green zone, Swiss red zone, like this a lot, but the problem comes in, I have to get a very steep reverse or steep retracement before I can look at it. So I want to be long here, but not at those levels. I'm going to wait for the retracement and then back here. I don't even see a consolidation that I can trade. Unfortunately, we will have to wait there. Aussie CAD, Aussie green zone CAD, a little bit neutral, but I'm after the Aussie long. So it is sort of consolidating a little bit here. I think I can still do the breakout, the retest. So if you see a break, a clean break above, the retest, and then a candle reversal, I'll still get interested, and otherwise I want to get in here. I don't want to get in this sideways range here, definitely not, because that's just time wasting. If it retraces back to these two structure levels at 50 and 61%, I'll then consider some longs. Other than that, I need the break and the retest. Aussie US, also consolidating a little bit. Aussie very strong, dollar weak. I would like to see the retracement back to the structure. Here was a big swing here, so we could expect some sideways movement here. One can, it's not that great. Say, right, we're running into a little bit of a consolidation, but I'm not that keen. At this stage, I'm waiting for the retest here. If it's going to happen, I'll get interested in longs. Other than that, for now, for today, I'll step aside. US yen, we're looking for shorts here. Also dollar, yen, all the sparkle, dollar, black sheep. So we need this to dribble up the page to that level before I'll get interested here. So for now, I'm just holding on. Waiting to see if I can get better levels later on, but for now I'm holding on to that level. Then Brent oil, definitely not one of my favorites. The last how long Well, consolidation, nice strong break, a retest there would be lovely. That's also, let me just draw these lines in. You can see there's also those old support levels there. It took that out again. Last time it failed. It tried 3 times and failed. So I'll have to see a strong candle reversal here before I'll be long on oil. Then on the CAD yen. CAD yen retracing nicely. CAD yen. So CAD neutral. I'm not after that, but I'm after the yen long. So shorting the CAD yen will put me long on the yen. So I'm really looking at this one. Strong level, support, resistance. I'm looking at that 61% level to see if I can get something out of it, if it can get back up there today. Other than that, I don't want to short at these levels. This is a little small, short-term bullish trend here, and I don't want to short just outright that. I will see how the market responds when we get to the structure, then I'll make up my mind. Then the Swiss yen, couldn't get anything there. Now I'm identifying this level as a resistance level because it looks good. Both those levels between 50 and 61%. I'm comfortable with that. If you look at Swiss, red, second worst one of them all against the yen, which is very strong, all the sparkle. So I would like to see another test. We had this test, but it wasn't the level I was watching yesterday. I was watching that level yesterday, but market reconfirmed the new level. So for now, I would like to see a retest there. Once I get the test again, I'll see how the market responds, and then on some nice bearish candle reversals, I'll then look for some shorts. Then the pound Swiss starting to look very nicely. We got a little double bottom in here. You can see it there. Oh, let's call it an ABC. That's your ABC. So it looks like a little double reversal of a double bottom reversal right at these market structures here, there, and there. So that is interesting. So now I draw in the Fibonacci there, and I can see I'm still between the 50 and 61% level. Even if I have to, I'll use this level, but that's not good enough for me now. At present, I'll use this. Unless that goes up way too high, then I will not consider this level anymore. But as long as I draw the Fibonacci there and the entry level, this structure here, stays between 50 and 61%, I'll definitely look for some longs here. Definitely. You can see pound neutral, but Swiss in the red zone. I want to be short Swiss, so buying the pound Swiss gives me the opportunity to be short on the Swiss. So if I get a retracement back here during the day to the 61% level, which is that intermediate high on the ABC reversal, I'll then get interested in some longs there. And my favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on gold. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me so I can keep making content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now, you could have guessed gold is usually in the beginning of the video, so it wasn't there, so you could have guessed that that was my favorite setup for today. I like this consolidation. We had the break, and now it's dribbling downwards slowly but surely to come and retest. Now let the bulls prove themselves by surviving the retracement and then a strong candle reversal, either from this 61% FIP on this directional swing here, or then, well, they are coming together at this stage. So any of these two levels I will be interested in. So if it tests there, misses maybe the 61 and then a strong candle reversal, I'll be good with it. But if it then cuts through and tests this level, even better, even better. So with the dollar being so weak, I need to be gold bullish. And I would really like, and this is also, yeah, by the way, this is the all-time high. This is the previous all-time high. You see that little spike there. So we're right at all those levels coming together. So a very nice consolidation on the 4-hour chart. A little break showing strength. Now the retest of the all-time high. And then strong candle reversal. That'll definitely get me to go long on gold. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.